Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your SONY Xperia 1.4. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After the process is finished, we'll be able to open the app. From here, you can add an account or sign in order to synchronize this browser between other devices. I'm gonna do it later. Here you can either accept or not. For data sharing preferences, I'm gonna disagree and move to the next step. The last option is to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. So let's click on that. Here select Edge and set as default. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.